Hi, everyone.
Have you ever heard of a chart that looks like a donut? Donut sounds yummy, right? Well, today we're going to learn about the donut chart.
What is a donut chart? A donut chart is kind of like a pie chart, but with a hole in the middle. That's why it looks like a donut. It shows how big each part is compared to the whole. We use it to show how things are divided, like how many people chose each answer in a survey, or what percentage of a project is finished. Donut charts are super helpful when we want to show parts of a whole. You can use colors to make it easier to see. And the middle space? Sometimes people add info or text there. And the best part? You can compare one donut chart with another. Like comparing survey answers from different years or groups. So where do we use donut charts? In surveys, they help us see which answer got the most votes. In school or group projects, we can show how much work is done. They're also used in business to check who the customers are, like age, gender, or income. First, go to Flourish and create a new project. Donut chart is right there. No need to search. Second, when you open the chart, look. There's already a sample chart waiting for you. We're going to use some sample data about favorite fruits and put it in here. When we enter the sample data, a pretty donut chart appears just like that. You can even change the colors in this section to make it more fun. Now that we know how to use it, how about we use the survey data you made last time? Simply put, label means the name and value is the number or data. If you switch the chart mode to grid, titles will appear. Let's rename them to what we want. You can create all three charts just by changing the column values. Try changing the colors again and have fun with it. If you scan the QR code below, you can go in and adjust everything just the way you like. Alright, shall we move on to the next part? Donut charts are great because they show percentages and progress super clearly. And they look cool too. But they're not perfect. If there are too many pieces, it gets messy. And it's hard to know the exact numbers without looking closely. So if you want very detailed data, a bar chart might be better. So, today we learned about donut charts. They're fun, easy to understand, and super useful. Try using a donut chart next time you have data to show.